Frustrated passengers aren't hard to find at Canadian airports these days.
I just don't have any sympathy for the airlines.
Christopher Chen has been waiting hours to board his Toronto-bound flight.
There was some kind of mechanical issue, a classic line, which apparently allows them not to pay or do anything.
Over at the airport bar, similar sentiments.
3 hours ago, they canceled the flight. 20 minutes later, they said the flight's back on. And then I arrived at the airport about an hour and a half before my flight, and it got delayed another 2 hours.
Getting compensation for a delay or lost luggage can also be frustrating. If an airline disputes a claim, the Canadian Transportation Agency is usually the next step. Problem is, the CTA has a backlog of over a year to hear cases. Part of the reason some passengers are bypassing the CTA altogether and suing airlines directly.
More people will complain. Something will come out of it that other people will not have to go through what I have been.
Last year, Sonia Malik says Air Canada lost her baggage on a trip to India to visit her dying brother. Now she's taking Air Canada to small claims court.
We're not left with any choice. We try to find out. We try to send them emails. We make phone calls. We don't get anywhere. It's like $8,500 I've lost plus time.
In April, Ottawa laid out measures that would increase penalties for airlines, but some experts say there's a problem.
The industry has an inside track to the CTA, and the CTA is not staffed with people who are looking to protect the passengers' rights.
He thinks the CTA could make a difference.
So you give a few $250,000 fines to the airlines, I would expect behavior to change.
Just days ago, a new wrinkle emerged. Canada's Supreme Court agreed to hear an appeal from airlines who say parts of Ottawa's Passenger Bill of Rights contravenes international law. Travis Stanrash, CBC News, Toronto.